They say these are the best chocolate chip cookies in the entire world and cannot be made at home. Well, they're wrong, because today we are going to make these Insomnia cookies at home. To start, in a large mixing bowl, we are going to add a half cup of softened butter. For sugar, we are going to be using granulated sugar and brown sugar. So to your large mixing bowl, we are going to add 1 cup of white granulated sugar, followed up by a half cup of brown sugar. Using a hand mixer, mix together until smooth and cohesive. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl. We are then going to add 2 tablespoons of light corn syrup to our sugar mixture, followed up by 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a little flavor. Next up, we are going to crack in 1 large egg and whisk that together. If you enjoy making bakery recipes like this at home, now would be a great time to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Then we are going to add a half teaspoon of salt, followed up by a half teaspoon of baking soda. Now for our flour, we are going to add 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour to form our cookie dough. If you think these are the best cookies in the entire world, make sure to leave a like on this video. If you think there's a better cookie out there, then make sure to let me know in the comments below. We are now going to add 1.5 cups of milk chocolate chips to our dough. Though honestly, who really measures chocolate chips? So just throw in as much as you would like. Then, on a parchment-lined baking sheet, we are going to scoop out our cookie dough into 2.5 tablespoon sized balls, and do that for the rest of the cookie dough. Then we are going to bake our cookies at 350 degrees for 11 to 13 minutes. The cookies will flatten, spread, and the edges should start turning golden brown when they are ready to come out of the oven. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you would also enjoy the video that just popped up on the left side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy!